Welcome to Share Talk, the only podcast where investors come first.
Welcome to Share Talk. Today we have CEO Gervaise Heddle from Greatland Gold plc, listed on AIM with a ticker GGP. Hello, Gervaise.
Hi, John. How you doing?
Not too bad, thank you. So you've had news out today about Ernest Giles, and you're going to be kicking off an exploration program again. So do you want to tell us a bit more about that, please?
Sure. Well, look, we're very excited about this exploration program. It's obviously quite a comprehensive program. We're going to be doing surface geochemistry work, which is the MMI surveys, plus also significant drilling across three of the areas at Ernest Giles. The area that most people will be most familiar with is Meadows, which is where we did the previously wide space drilling that identified two large zones of gold mineralisation. And it's also the area where Newmont conducted their DSG work, which identified a new 5 kilometre by 1.5 kilometre long anomaly, which has been untested by our previous drilling. And basically at Meadows, we want to go in with MMI, in essence, double check Newmont's work, make sure we do some what we call infill MMI over the various targets, and then go and do a fairly extensive drilling campaign there at Meadows to follow up on those targets. At Wishbone and Empress, many people won't be as familiar with those. Wishbone is a structural target. There's an interesting structure there, and we're going to be doing more MMI there, and then attempting to test that structural target and learn more about depth to basement and the different sorts of rock that we have there at Wishbone. And then at Empress, similarly, we've had some very interesting MMI results there historically, but we want to expand that MMI zone, particularly towards the east. And we want to then obviously also follow that up with more drilling and try to learn more about what's going on at Empress as well.
So the drilling's going to take place in Q2. So when are you going to start the MMI sampling? Is that going to be Q2 as well?
Q1. So the MMI sampling we believe is going to start in March, and then the drilling after we get those results back.
Okay, and so when can we expect some sort of assay results back from that drilling?
It's hard to say because this is this is a large program, so I'm talking up to 30 holes. So you may get the results from that in a couple of different batches. Look, I would hope to have some results before the end of Q2, but maybe you get some early Q3 as well. It will just depend also on the weather, the availability of drill contractors. There's a lot of logistical issues in anything like this, but look, we're very keen to get out there, get this exploration done, get the results, and hopefully demonstrate to the market, what we have there.
Yeah, so you've obviously got all your other 5 projects, and you're going to be doing further work at them. I mean, when can we sort of expect to hear more about those?
Yes, well, as we say in the RNS today, over the next couple of months, we expect to be making more announcements about the other projects. We've had a very busy period this last month internally, working through all the different projects. The team was recently in Tasmania visiting the projects there, and, we're looking at making announcements in regards to all our key sort of projects over the next couple of months.
Yeah, because you have been quiet for the last few weeks, so I guess there's a lot of chatter out there as to what you've been up to. So I guess we'll look forward to seeing more about that. And are you still? I know we talk about it every time we have a chat, but are you still looking at other acquisitions, or is it just purely about the exploration of the existing projects at the moment?
Well, at the moment we have some significant exploration programs that we want to push forward with. And that's the key focus. But as we're always looking at other opportunities as well. But look, we've got some great opportunities in-house. We're very busy, putting plans together for that. And, we hope to have a lot more to say about that shortly.
Okay, Gervaise, so that's good to know. So that's Gervaise Heddle, CEO of Greatland Gold plc, ticker GGP on AIM. Thanks, Gervaise.
Right, thanks a lot, John.
Thank you for listening. Remember to visit our website for more news and other podcasts at www.share-talk.com.